Let's learn school subjects in isiZulu quickly and easily. Math is izibalo. Art is ubuciko. Science is isayensi. Drama is umdlalo. Biology is ibiology. English is isingisi. Geography is ezezwe. Zulu is isiZulu. History is ezomlando and Afrikaans is isibhunu. Now try and say with me. Isifundo engisithandayo izibalo. Which one is your favorite subject? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to Mzansi Zulu Mama for more of isiZulu lessons and culture.